language. Write Atharv's name also. He has joined just now. In English language comparison of adverbs, we had done the chart till now. Superlative, positive, comparative chart. Do you remember? Now today we are going to start the exercise which is given on page number 116. Ritisha, write the name of Sakshi also. Now today we are going to start the exercise. So are you all having pencils with you? Okay. Now do one thing. Exercise A, complete the table. Few missing words are there. Few words are given and few words are missing. You have to fill the missing word. Sadaf Zaidi has joined. Who is Sadaf? Beta, please. Kasim. Children, please write your own name. Don't write your parents' name. It becomes very difficult to recognize. It is, you can write on the WhatsApp description your name. Okay. All right. So positive, comparative, and superlative. Few words are given, few are missing. The words which are missing that we have to fill. First word is given carefully. So comparative, what will it become? Carefully will become more carefully. Yes. And superlative, most carefully. So carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Right there in the chart quickly. Fill the chart. Then next is far, dash and dash. So what will come in comparative and superlative? Far, farther, farthest. And further, furthest. Both are correct. You can write both also and you can write any one also. It's your wish. Far, farther, farthest. Far, further, furthest. Both are correct. Write little quickly. What happened? Carefully, then more carefully, most carefully. Why we are using more and most? We are using more and most because here we are dealing with the words having two syllable. Means care and fully. Two syllable words are there. So when we use two syllable words, we use more and most to write in comparative and superlative degree. Next is dash, more swiftly, dash. So what will come in the positive? Swiftly will come in positive and most swiftly in superlative. Write there quickly. Swiftly and most swiftly. Point number 3. All of you writing? That's why I ask you to on the camera so that I can check whether you are writing or not. And if your camera is off, how I will know whether you are writing or you are sitting and eating something or you are sleeping with open eyes. How I will know? Okay. The next is dash dash most joyfully. Very good. So in the first column, joyfully will come. In the second column, more joyfully will come. First column, joyfully. Second column, more joyfully. Write quickly. Joyfully, more joyfully. And most joyfully is already given. Now next, you all will tell me. Dash, earlier, dash. Early, not earlier. Earlier is already given. Early, earlier, earliest. Yes. Now write early, earlier, earliest. Okay. Then point number 6. Dash, dash, worst. Bad, worse. Comparative degree, worse will come. WORSE, worse. Positive, bad. Comparative, worse. WORSE, worse. And superlative, worst. It's already given. Now, bad, worse, and worst. are the words where no rules are being followed. Means we don't use more and most also, and we don't use er and est also. Okay, so bad, worse, worst. Then comes point number 7, greedily, dash and dash. More greedily, most greedily. Why we are using more and most here? Because the word greedily consists of two syllables. So greedily, more greedily, most greedily. Then comes dash, more cheerfully, dash. In the positive column, cheerfully, and in the superlative column, most cheerfully. Cheerfully, most cheerfully. Okay, point number 9. Kartike has joined just now. Kartike. Kartike has joined just now. Write his name. Then point number 9. Dash, dash, most easily. Easily, more easily, most easily. Very good, very good. Then dash, more violently, dash. What will come in the positive? Yes, very good. Violently. The word violently will come in the positive column. Then more violently is already given, and then comes the most violently. Spelling you can see from the box itself. Then comes lazily, dash, dash. Lazily will become more lazily, most lazily. Yes. Are you all writing quickly? Then dash, dash, most wonderfully. In the positive column, wonder. Yes, keep writing, keep writing. In the first column, wonderfully will come. In the second column, more wonderfully will come. Continue writing, don't stop. In the first column, 12th one, first column, wonderfully. Second column, more wonderfully. Yes, yes, Ijaz. 11th is lazily, more lazily, most lazily. Dash, more sweetly, dash. Sweetly, more sweetly, most sweetly. Yes. Now I hope you all can complete the chart on your own also. Soundly, more soundly, most soundly. Continue writing, continue writing. Dash, more famously, dash. Famously, more famously, most famously. Got it? Okay. So what happened? So now this chart which you have done in the book right now, you have to do this chart in your English language fair copies also. So put a tick mark and write there copy. Now before our next class starts, I want you to make this chart in your fair copies. Yes, Ritisha, any problem? You send it to me, WhatsApp me personally. Rest of the children, any problem in this chart? I will give you the PDF. Still, if there is any problem, please ask. No problem. All, all words written in the book. Yes, who is asking? Yes, sure, on your camera. If you want to talk to me kindly on your camera, I am not going to answer any question like this because I don't know whether you are attending the class or not if you are not on if your camera is off. Yes, sure. Now say adverbs. Yes, rewrite the sentences. Rewrite the sentences you have to do in your copies, beta. Okay. All right. So let's meet in the next class now.